In this video, you will learn how to turn off 5G on an iPhone. So if you are someone who is looking for an easy method to turn off 5G on an iPhone, this is the video you need to watch. Hey guys, I'm Rahul from Tech Review Pro, and without any further delay, let's learn how to turn off 5G on an iPhone. In order to turn off 5G on an iPhone, you have to simply go to Settings, and once you are in Settings, you have to scroll a bit and select the option that says Mobile Service. So now we are in Mobile Service settings on iPhone, and here if you have got multiple SIMs or eSIM installed on an iPhone, then you will see something like this under SIMs. So you have to ensure that you are selecting the right SIM that you want to turn off 5G from. So select the SIM, and after that you will be able to see various details regarding that SIM or mobile service. Further, in order to turn off 5G, you have to select the option that says Voice and Data, and then tap on that, and after that you will see that here it is 5G Auto is enabled. That means this is working with 5G Auto settings, and it's worth noting that if 5G Auto is enabled, then this will basically use 5G when required. That means this will basically use 5G whenever it is required while switching to 4G, depending upon the requirements for the priority of optimizing battery life. And if 5G on mode is selected, then that will use 5G mode only no matter what. And if you want to turn off 5G, then you will have to select the third option, that is LTE, and that will simply turn off 5G on your iPhone. So your iPhone will use 4G mode only, and this is how you may turn off 5G on iPhone. I hope you found this video helpful. And by the way, if you want to learn how to silence unknown callers on iPhone, make sure to tap here to watch this video. Thanks for watching.